Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Management and staff of the University of Africa, Toru-Orua in Bayelsa State, have commended the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, on its impressive strides in developing the Niger Delta region. The commendation follows the installation recently of a 30 kVA hybrid solar system in the Information and Communication Technology ICT Center of the university by the NDDC.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, last week installed a 30 kVA hybrid solar system at the ICT Center of the University of Africa, Toru-Orua in Bayelsa State, in fulfillment of its statutory obligation to promote human capacity development in the Niger Delta region. Coming at a time the entire country is witnessing epileptic power supply, Vice-Chancellor of the university, Professor Kingston Yamafemi, describes the NDDC intervention as a huge relief for the university.
This is really going to be a useful addition to our capital here. As you know, power is a big problem all across the country. So solar power being something that you have pretty much all the time is going to make a big difference in terms of our ability to operate during those times, especially at night when other sources of power may not be available. So we're most grateful to the NDDC for this intervention.
The 30 kVA hybrid solar system installed by the NDDC at the ICT Center of the University of Africa in Bayelsa State was supplied by Exulted Nigeria Limited, producers of the Bull batteries, inverters and solar panels. Exulted Nigeria Limited, a leading provider of alternative renewable energy in Nigeria, also supplies top-of-the-range inverter-friendly soundproof generators and equally offers excellent after-sales services. The company's Chief Executive Officer, Chief Kingsley Ogu, who personally supervised the installation of the 30 kVA hybrid solar system installed at the University of Africa, said it has sufficient capacity to serve the needs of the university.
We're looking at about 35 kilowatts hour storage capacity is huge enough, and school operate during the day only, so the solar panels are 135 kilowatts storage generating system, so we'll have enough power that will sustain the areas we're going to power.
According to Director of the NDDC State Office in Bayelsa State, Dr. Dodeiwik, the installation of solar power at the University of Africa in Bayelsa State is a well thought out plan to reduce its operational cost.
The school will be relieved of some variable costs, such as buying of fuel and all that, because it's solar powered station. And so apart from the relief that will happen, there is going to be an uninterrupted usage of the ICT facility.
In May 2021, the NDDC, under the leadership of its interim administrator, Dr. Effiong Akwa, facilitated graduation of some 200 trainees in its ICT training program designed to benefit youths across 9 states of the Niger Delta region. The ICT training, designed as part of its skill acquisition program, offers the NDDC a window of opportunity to promote self-employment and wealth creation to address the challenge of youth restiveness in the Niger Delta. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,